May itinerary ka na pero hindi ka pa rin sure kung saan ka magsistay sa Baguio? Worry no more dahil ipapakita namin sa inyo ang dalawa sa mga well-recommended namin na hotel na talaga namang sulit at kukumpleto sa Baguio trip mo. Pagdating namin ng Baguio, dito muna kami nagstay sa Olive Town Center and Hotel. Kung familiar ka sa Session Road, 5 minutes walk lang and 12 minutes walk naman kung pupunta ka ng Burnham Park. Super lapit, diba? Pagdating pa lang namin, we were assisted hanggang makapag-check-in. Sobrang natutuwa kami ni Mahal kapag mababait talaga ang mga staff dahil feel at home agad ang vibes. Meron silang iba't ibang rooms na pwede kahit kasama mo pa ang buong family at tropa. And alam mo ba na what I also love about this hotel is super convenient. Merong Funhan Korean Mart, pharmacy, eyebrows and nail salon, pick up coffee at napakarami pang iba kaya hindi mo na kailangan lumayo pa if you need or want to buy something. O diba, one-stop shop sa hotel nila. At nag-elevator na nga kami papunta sa binook naming room. Sa hallway pa lang makikita mo na ang ganda ng kanilang interior. Di mo aakalain na affordable pala yung mga rooms nila. Malawak din pala yung space sa mga rooms and kompleto sa mga amenities na kakailanganin mo. May malawag na cabinets, perfect kung marami kang dalang pang OOTD and clean comfort rooms with hot and cold shower. At very important na komportable at masarap yung tutulugan mo lalo't wala kang ibang gagawin dito kundi gumala. And wait, there's more. Paggising nga namin agad-agad, bubungad sa'yo ang napakalamig na simoy ng hangin ng Baguio City at napakagandang overlooking view sa kanilang balcony. And of course, may breakfast buffet din sila. Iba't ibang ulam yung matitikman mo at meron silang different breads, fruits, and drinks na available. At hindi na nga namin pinalagpas ni Mahal para totally enjoy yung aming stay. At syempre, kailangan ng energy mamaya paglabas namin para maglibot-libot. At sobrang matutuwa ka dahil habang kumakain ka or while enjoying coffee with your loved ones, makikita mo yung napakagandang view mula sa taas. At kung naghahanap ka naman ng hotel na elegant yung ambience with classic Baguio charm, tara sa Venus Park View Hotel. Sobrang daming rooms at napakalawak ng kanilang parking area. And take note, they have a great location dahil nasa harap mo na mismo ang Burnham Park. Pagpasok mo pa lang ng lobby, feel mo agad na they have a sophisticated style. Their staff is also professional and will welcome you with genuine warmth and attentive service. After checking in, we went straight to our room and the moment we stepped inside, mapapansin mo agad yung clean, elegant and thoughtfully designed interiors. The room feels warm, cozy, and inviting with a comfortable bed, spacious layout, and everything you need for a relaxing stay. Isa pa sa nagustuhan namin is how the room gives you that perfect balance of comfort and sophistication. Elegant enough to feel special but still warm and homey enough to make you feel right at home. And syempre, kinuha namin yung isa sa mga rooms nila na may balcony din para naman ma-enjoy namin ni Mahal ang magandang city view lalo't nung nagstay kami medyo foggy din from time to time kaya sakto. For casual dining, they are home to Olive Cafe and kung gusto mo naman ng fine dining experience, meron silang the Parkview Restaurant and Lunch. If you're looking for a place to stay na ideal for family celebration and gatherings, Venus Parkview Hotel is a great choice. Kaya if I were you and you're planning your stay here in Baguio City, make sure to try and visit these hotels to make your Baguio experience even more memorable with a stay that feels just as special as the city itself. And don't forget to follow and check their page for promos and discounts. Saan naman kaya tayo next? Comment below kung may alam kayo na worth puntahan or hidden gems sa inyong mga paboritong lugar. Thank you for watching!